I want to be a parrot breeder, but my mother wants me to be a leader. Parrots are my calling. They make me feel happy. Their feathers are lovely, and they make me feel so good. Gertrude, don't open the door. It's me, your mother. Now, listen, you have a ball tonight, and you have to be there by 7 o'clock.
But Mother!
What?
I don't want to go to the ball.
I don't care what you want. It doesn't matter. It's very important to me, and you will not bring one of your parrots again. You understand?
Yes, Mother.
Oh, I'll see you in a little bit, darling. I love you. Me and your father will be waiting.
I'm running away.
What was that?
Nothing, Mother. I'm just getting ready.
All right, I'll see you in a little while, dear.
To leave. I must leave everything royal behind me. Parrot Pico, you'll go with me. I must leave this dreadful place. I wish I had another parrot for Pico. I wonder where I could find one. A real parrot! Pico, look! Oh, Pico, you're so shy. We have a friend. I'll name you Matthew.
Jeremiah,
Yes.
we've been running out of money.
That's why we had to make this shack.
Stop playing with your puppets. Now, what do you suppose
He's a part of our trio. Duo. Trio.
Now,
Yes.
how are we supposed to get money?
Well, I was in town today buying some apricots for him, my friend.
Uh-huh.
And I thought that I saw a sign, and it said, you tell me what it said. It said that there's a wanted sign for the princess. $2,000 things. Golden coins.
2,000 golden coins? Well, that sounds just peachy.
Yes, it does.
Excuse me, is anyone here?
Did you hear that? Did you hear that cheesy, corny sounding
No, I
voice?
didn't.
Excuse me.
Hello?
Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, good dear sirs. Do you have a place where I can rest my lovely head for the night? I've been walking for hours.
Well, who are you?
A mosquito.
You're a mosquito?
Yes, my name is
I need some
Mosquito.
spray.
It's foreign.
I'm gonna get some spray.
Well, Mosquito. My name is Eric. That inside is my...
Caw, caw! What is that noise?
Oh, it's that blasted bird. He keeps showing up on our roof.
A bird?
Yeah.
Well, is it a parrot?
Yes, it is a parrot.
I'll rescue him. And that pesky little thing won't annoy you. I'm coming, I'll rescue
Be
you.
careful. Last time Jeremiah tried to climb up there, he got a little accident, and well,
Go, go.
long story short,
Parrot, go.
he's right there on the ledge.
Oh, there. You look like a... Well, I'll name you
A parrot?
Jarek. For my new friends Jeremy and Eric.
His name's Jeremiah, not Jeremy.
That's what I mean. Jarek. Will you help me down, good sir?
I'm kind of full of parrots. I'm sorry, are you alright, my lady?
I can't reach. I'm so dreadfully faint.
We've got some water.
I would like that a lot.
You just have to go fish it out of the creek.
Come here, my birds. I'm gonna rest my pretty little head.
I'll go get some water for you, my little friend.
Thank you. Jarek, this dress is so uncomfortable. Are you using this tablecloth for something particular?
Only the table.
Can I borrow it?
For how long?
I'll be right back.
I didn't say yes. I said, how long? How long?
Ta-da!
That's probably the gayest thing I've ever seen.
Well then. It's quite a comfy dress. And it's very beautiful.
Can I use this
For
as
a,
a tablecloth
for
now?
a village. Sure, it's real satin, but I guess it's okay.
I'll go cut this into a tablecloth, right, Philip? Right.
Excuse me.
Yes?
I couldn't find you any water, even though there's a big creek
That's
back
all
there,
right.
but, I brought you some flowers.
Perfect!
What in God's good name are you doing?
I'm smashing the flower. The pollen is perfect for this poor bird's broken wing.
So who are you?
I'm a pilgrim girl
Alright.
from the west.
Cut the crud. Tell me what you really are. You got that fancy, smancy dress back there.
I just like pretending I'm a princess.
Wait a minute, what's her name?
Mosquito?
Tell me the truth.
Mosquito. Listen, thank you for your time here, but I must be leaving with my
please,
parents.
stay for dinner.
Please give me
Your
people.
parrots will love clam chowder.
Okay, the truth is I ran away from home. It was dreadful.
Really? You wouldn't happen to be Gertrude the Princess, would you?
No.
Oh, tell the truth, you little submarine bink. When my mother told me to go to the ball. Alright, stop singing. We don't need any of that. So you're the princess, eh?
Yes.
Well, we should probably get you home.
I don't want to go home.
Oh, you do?
I will refuse to go home.
Well, no. Oh. Goody. Good.
My name is Mosquito.
Your name is...
Give me my parrots. You don't look like a parrot kind of man. I'm never coming back here.
Hey, come back here! Come back! Come back!
Come on, Jeremiah.
No, get up! Hey, 1, 2, 3!
Stop it! Take her back to her house.
and we'll get the reward.